you have a washing machine that fills up with water and does not stop and then leaks out at the bottom, I have the fix for you today on that. First thing you're going to want to do is unplug your washer. And on this particular one, there are 3 screws in the very back here. We'll go ahead, I already removed those. This control console will pull forward, and then you push it over to the right if you're facing it. And we'll just set this off to the side here a little bit. And this is what we're going to be replacing here. Now on back to the back side here, we will go ahead and remove 3 of these screws in the back there that secure the back panel to the washing machine. On the very front of the machine here, right where the lid comes on there are 2 clips. Just want to take a putty knife here and push that in on the clip, release the front panel, do that on both sides, and it'll just simply pull up out of the way. To release the lid, there are 2 machine screws holding it on. We'll just go ahead and remove those. All those 2 screws removed, this whole front assembly will pull forward. There is a little wire harness clip right here. You want to take a pliers, pinch that, and disconnect it. Little wire harness clip was right here. I went and pushed it through. I'm just leaving this lid up off to the side here. If you want to remove it, you need to take and disconnect this little switch right here. This is the lid switch. You just need to push it in on both sides. It's not necessary to take it off, so I'm not going to do that. Next, what we'll do, there are 4 machine screws. Pick up this little piece of foam here. We'll take those off, and then there's 2 in the back, and this whole assembly will come up, and there is a tab on the back that holds this pressure switch in. Maybe you can get it with a needle nose pliers underneath here. I'll try that first. The tab right here that we're going to squeeze, and then the whole thing will pop off. Well, I managed to get it off. It actually broke the bottom of the plastic off. We'll just go ahead and pull the electrical connections off, and just take note where they go. They simply just pull off, and there is the air line. We'll disconnect that. I have the new part here, and simply just snaps in the back here, and we'll put our electrical connections back on. I went and tested it. All you have to do is just blow in this little tube right here, and if you hear a clicking noise, then it's working. The other one did not make any noise when we were doing that, so just snaps into place. Put our hose on there and reconnect our electrical connections, and then we'll reassemble it. You can line these tabs up here, slide it over, And then we can push it down and put our 3 screws in the back. Okay, replace these 3 screws. We'll go ahead and hook the water up, the drain line, plug it in, and we're ready to wash some clothes.